Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So we are in the second video of our playlist where we are going to develop the entire application end to end, which is a pin code service application. In my previous video, we have discussed about the design side, how we are going to do and all, and here we are going to see how we can create a project, how we can set up an environment. As I said, it is a React application, so you need to have the React JS in your system. If not, I will strongly recommend you guys to install it. What it needs, it just needs a Node.js. So you install the Node.js. Once the Node.js installed, okay, so simply use this command npx create hyphen react hyphen app and your app name. Here it is pin code service. Okay, so this should ideally create a React application. Okay, so let's wait for it. Now you could see it is saying creating a React app. Okay, in the meantime, you try to use this one, Visual Studio Code, which is again open source, very useful one. So just go here and click on open folder, then go to that folder where you are creating a application here. So in my case I am using which folder here only, right? Yeah, yeah, pin code service, this one. Select a folder and it will get loaded slowly. Okay, as you could see here, it is getting installed. So whatever the files will be there, it will come here slowly, one at a time it will come. Okay, so we have to be little, wait here. Okay, so this is about creating a React application, because this is a primary requisite for us to develop this application, right? This, what we can do is we'll start the application once everything is getting started. Okay, so let's wait a minute here.